Hello and welcome to the introduction to the eye socket auto switch. If you cut wood, this device will save you time. In this brief video, we're going to cover the importance of dust collection, how to install and operate your eye socket auto switch, and of course, let you know where to buy the product. Shall we begin? If you cut wood, dust collection is critically important. As we use more and more plywoods and manufactured woods, as well as we love our exotics, the dust they create is very toxic. The eye socket auto switch makes it easy to use a dust collection system, making your workspace safe and clean. Both packages include how to install instructions, and you'll notice the product is UL certified. It's rated to a 15 amp, 125 volt circuit. Shall we begin? Let me show you how to install it. Once you've removed your device from the packaging, notice the power outlet and the two accessory outlets, the indicator lights, and the mode switch. Turn your mode switch to the off position and plug it into your outlet. Now turn your eye socket to the auto mode, that's the up position. Plug your shop vac into an accessory outlet. Turn your shop vac to the on position, and step 3, simply plug your cutting tool into the tool outlet of your eye socket workshop. And now your shop vac is activated by your cutting tool. You'll notice the shop vac stays on for another 7 seconds after I stop cutting. That's to clear the hose of any debris. So the workshop includes this mode switch as well as a second accessory outlet. The mode switch right now is in the auto mode. If I turn to the off mode, you'll notice the indicator light turns off. Now when I turn it to the on position, you'll get an indicator light here, and you'll energize these two outlets. So if you want to use your shop vac independent of your saw. That second accessory outlet comes in handy for things like task lighting. So whether you're in a shop or on a job site, the eye socket workshop saves you time. Keeps your space clean and safe. Visit eyesocketproducts.com and click on the Where to Buy tab for a local retailer near you. Be more productive with an eye socket workshop.